is Dr. Abhishek Mathur from Pratishta Industries Limited. So, dear friends, this is a time of lockdown and we are available at our homes, and we know that we are not able to eat any other things from outside because we are suffering from COVID infection and COVID pandemic is there. So, today there is a great concept of our company. We have launched our product like a paneer lactate, which is being sold in the form of Lenose. That is an organic paneer lactate, and it is easily available by Amazon also. And this product is basically providing a good taste to the paneer, and it is a good ingredient recipe for preparation of paneer. So we can prepare the paneer at our homes by using this particular ingredient recipe known as Lenose. And this is a good kind of vegan supplement which is being utilized for production of organic paneer. This product is basically certified through different organic certifications, USFDA, GMP certifications, LACON, and there kosher certification, halal certification is there. So this is a very good recipe, and that can be utilized very effectively for preparation of paneer. So here I am demonstrating you about how to make the paneer in homes in this lockdown period, and to enjoy the paneer in the form of salad or any kind of a recipe you can cook family members, and you can enjoy yourself at home in this lockdown period as well. So here I am taking 1 liter of milk, and here we are boiling it, the milk on the gas actually, and now this milk is being boiled, and here I will be taking this particular recipe, this particular ingredient recipe, okay, and this is a small available in this particular packet, and is prepared by Pratishta Industries Limited, and we are taking this paneer, this ingredient recipe, and now ingredient recipe is actually a good paneer lactate. Actually, it's an organic vegan based supplement for production of better and very tasty paneer, nutritious paneer actually, because it is having a lot many probiotics available in the recipe, as well as different nutrients and vitamins and different kinds of mineral components are available in this recipe, so that your just this is a few minutes recipe only. In this you have to take the milk, and the milk has to be boiled very effectively. So now this milk is strongly boiled. Now I am taking this for this 1 liter milk. I am taking suppose 1 spoon of this recipe, along with a small amount of another spoon, like that. And now I am mixing this particular material. Now I am mixing this particular ingredient in this particular milk, in the boiling milk, like that. So we have to boil the milk effectively, and then we have to add this particular ingredient recipe, Lenose, in the milk. So you can see that there is a kind of coagulation occurring in this particular milk. It is because this particular recipe is converting the milk casein protein into a paneer, a nutritious paneer. You can see that in a fraction of seconds, actually, in a fraction of seconds, this milk is converting into a paneer. So only thing you have to do is that you have to take the good quality of milk. You have to boil it completely, okay, and then you have to along with the boiling, you have to add this particular ingredient recipe, which is a Lenose, and it is a vegan recipe. So only 1 to 1.5 spoon is sufficient to obtain the paneer out of 1 liter of milk. Slightly heat so that with the elevation of temperature, the proper ingredient gets mixed in the milk and converts the milk casein protein into the paneer like formation. So you can see now that the paneer is completely formed in the milk. The milk is completely converted into paneer, and the friends, I just want to say that this is a highly nutritious paneer. It is value added paneer. This paneer is very different from the kind of paneer which is you are purchasing from other milk shops and other things. So you can see that this paneer has been formed. Now I am turning off this gas. Okay, so that I can use this material for filtration, and you can see this proper precipitation of casein protein in the milk. Now I have to filter it so that I can release out the coagulated portion of the milk, that is a casein protein, which is converted into paneer like form. Now I am filtering it. You can just filter it with the help of a muslin cloth, or suppose any kind of good sieve, so that you can found the good paneer, and the particular liquid gets released out completely. Okay, so while filtration, you just to take care, just your sieve should be very good in size as per the bore size. Here we are filtering it completely, and this protein portion is coming out. Completely. Here you can see that complete this paneer has been taken out, and the total amount of water is released out. Okay, so this water is basically a whey protein. Okay, this water is basically a whey protein, and it is highly nutritious. Friends, I must say that what kind of paneer we are producing right now, that is a good example of a great and highly nutritious as well as strong immunomodulator kind of paneer we are producing out. And the whey, this is a whey protein, this is a liquid protein, and you must be knowing that when people are doing the gyms and doing the exercises, lot of exercises, they are consuming this whey protein. So that whey protein is very costly, which is available in the market. What that whey protein is similar to this liquid protein, but this protein we have received, this release is released is very highly nutritious, highly effective, and it is providing strength to the body. So not only paneer what we are getting, but also this particular whey protein is also effective for the health in terms of nutrition, in terms for good health, good nutrition point of view, as well as strong immunomodulator activity. So people nowadays are suffering from COVID, and different serious issues are going on. So in today's times, this particular recipe Lanos is very effective in today's time, as we are able to achieve something which is highly nutritious, which is highly beneficial, which is highly effective for the health. So why don't we use such kind of material in our homes? It is a very simple recipe, and in another fraction of seconds we have received the protein as well as the whey out of it. So we have filtered completely, and the complete liquid is released out. Okay. So this whey liquid can be utilized in your recipes. You can drink it as an energy drink. It is acting as an energy booster like that. Can be utilized in your curries. Okay. Can be utilized in some other preparations or stuffing of your flours like that. So anywhere you don't have to destroy it. You don't have to discard it like that. So this paneer which you have received now, now it is very hot as is like that. So we have released out a lot many water from it. Okay, we have squeezed out completely, and now we are placing it in the refrigerator, so we can be able to achieve determine the proper binding property of our Lanos material, which is very effective in binding of this casein protein coming out of the milk, as well as when aiding the paneer formation. So we are just to provide the good results, actually just to see the good results, we can store it for another 10 to 20 minutes in the refrigerator to see the binding properties. So I just come back after 20 minutes. Back again. This sort of paneer we have received from after keeping in the refrigerator. You can see the whole tight binding property of Lanos. Now I am opening it. You can see that this is a you can see the tight binding property of Lanos, the ingredient recipe for making the paneer, organic paneer, and you can either keep it in the refrigerator to see the more effective results, or you cannot, if you are not having a refrigerator, you are not having a cool position, cooling conditions, you can keep it just for a while at the room temperature for another 15 to 20 minutes, so that the heating gets minimized and your paneer gets slightly low in, temperature. And now I am cutting the pieces like that. You can see the specific binding property, a good texture, good porosity. Okay, this kind of porosity you don't get in the paneer which you are purchasing from outside. Okay, see the pieces. So Lanos is a very great concept which launched by our Pratishta Industries Limited, our company, and it is as I already told that this is a great recipe for providing the nutritious paneer, a healthy paneer, a good enriched paneer with all vitamins, supplements and everything. And not only the paneer, but what the way we are getting, that is also good boosting drink. Okay, so very good in taste, as well as this paneer is also having a good texture as well as a good taste also. So my personal suggestion is just use this Lanos paneer lactate, which is a great recipe for production of good organic paneer, and definitely what you will prepare in your homes definitely will be very safe and as per the health point of view, as well as per the your body resistance, because you know that there are lot many diseases, there are different epidemics and pandemics, there are different germs in the environment which can take your health. Okay, so this recipe will definitely provide you with a good organic paneer, and you can use easily in your homes. Thank you so much.